Okay, so let us take one example. Find generating function for the given sequences 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Second question is 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, etc. And third question is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and so on. So we consider second question is a homework question. Okay, so we are going to solve first question and the third question. Okay, so in first question, what is given? The given sequences are 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. So we have to consider the given sequences are what? A naught equal to 1, A1 equal to 2, A2 equal to 3. And, okay. So how to find a generating function? So using the given sequences, we have to find g of x value. Okay. Once we get g of x, therefore g of x is called what? Function for the given sequences. Okay, so we know that the generating function is nothing but a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus etc. We know what is a naught. A naught is nothing but first value of the given sequence. Okay, so 1 plus 2x plus 3x square etc. Okay, and also this is nothing but what? This is a geometric series. So we can write this expansion into so we can write this series is x power minus 2 if modulus of x is what? Modulus of x is less than 1. Okay, so this is called a generating function for the given series for the ones 1, 2, 4, and etc. Similarly, we solve third question. So here, what is given? Sequences 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and so on. Okay. So always we consider the given. The first one is always a not equal to 0. Second, so here 0. Third, a2 equal to 1. A3 equal to 1, and so on. Okay. So we know that what is generating formula? Generating function is nothing of x equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus etc. Okay, substitute given values in this formula, so we get 0 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 etc. X square is common, right? So we take x square from this equation, so we get 1 plus x square plus etc. If you multiply x square into 1, you get first one. If we multiply x square into x, we get x cube. Okay, similarly, we get x power 4. So what is this? So x square into this is nothing but what? Power, this is nothing but what? Geometric series, right? So is 1 minus 1 if modulus of x is what? Strictly less than 1. Okay, so this is the way find a generating function for the given problem. So let us consider this is homework question. Okay, one we can a naught value, a1 value, a2, a3, and etc. Using these sequences, we are going to find generating function, which means substitute this value in g of x formula. We get g of x equal to any one of the geometric. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.